Welcome. I will show you few sums of Benaras Hindu University for admission in B.Sc Mathematics. So see the sums. This is the sum, the value of this one. These actually MCQ sums. I have not given the options. We will directly calculate it. This one equals to, we can write 2, we can take common. So it will be 1 by 2 by sin 10 minus root 3 by 2 by cos 10. This one equals to 2. Half we can write sin 30 by sin 10 minus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 by cos 10. This is equals to 2. This will be sin 10 into cos 10. Here it is coming sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10. What we can do? We can multiply this one by 2 and here also multiply by 2. So what is coming? This is 4 into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin A minus B. And 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. This is equals to 4 into sin 20 by sin 20. So this is cutting, so equals to 4. Hence, answer of this sum will be 4. Now come to this question. The shortest distance between the line y minus x equals to 1 and the curve x equals to y square. I am writing the equation as y minus x minus 1 equals to 0. And the point we are taking here xy. This distance, if I am writing s equals to, this is 1 into y, 1 into x, and this is 1. So, minus x plus y minus 1 by root of minus 1 square plus 1 square, that is equals to minus x plus y minus 1 by root 2. Now, since xy is a point of this curve, instead of x I can write y square. So this one will become minus y square plus y minus 1 by root 2. Now, see this one, we can write this one, but I am showing you one thing, equals to, I can write minus y square plus 2y minus 1 minus y into 1 by root 2. This is equals to 1 by root 2 into minus y minus of y minus 1 whole square. This part is not essential, you can do from here also, still I am showing you. See, this is a square quantity, hence the entire expression is negative. So for expressing distance in positive, we can say actually the distance is modulus of this one. So S equals to we can change the sign. S equals to y square minus y plus 1 into 1 by root 2. If you are writing this one, it is not wrong, but modulus of this thing is a positive quantity. Now we can say ds dy equals to 1 by root 2 into 2y minus 1. Now we are knowing the shortest distance where s is minimum, ds dy equals to 0. So from here we are getting y equals to half. Okay. So now we can put the value of s. So s minimum equals to, if we are putting here half, so 1 by root 2, here it is y square is 1 by 4 minus half plus 1. So it is 3 by 4 into 1 by root 2. To remove root from the denominator, we can use root 2 by root 2 equals to 3 root 2 by 8. So this will be your distance. If you like, you can do the derivative of this one, ds dy means d2s dy square. If you are finding, then you will get, it will come a positive quantity. If d2s dy square is coming, that is 1 by root 2 into 2. Positive indicates it is minimum. Hence, this is the minimum value. Now, if A, B, C are three consecutive terms of an AP and X, Y, Z are three consecutive terms of a GP where X not equals to 0, then we have to find this one. A, B, C are in GP, so we can write B equals to A plus D, C equals to, A, B, C are in AP, A plus 2D, assuming D is the common difference, and it is given that X, Y, Z are in GP. So Y we can write Rx, Z we can write R square X. So what we have to find? X to the power B minus C, X to the power B minus C. So we can write x to the power b is our a plus d minus c minus a minus 2d into y to the power c minus a. Instead of y we can write rx to the power c minus a. C is a plus 2d minus a into z. Z is our r square x to the power a minus b. A minus a minus b. This is coming. So it is ultimately x to the power minus d into r to the power 2d x to the power 2d into r to the power minus 2d and x to the power minus d. So finally x to the power minus d plus 2d minus d into r to the power 2d minus 2d. That is x to the power 0 into r to the power 0 equals to 1. So in this way value of this one is coming 1. Now, solution of this equation. 4 to the power 1 plus x plus 4 to the power 1 minus x equals to 10. We can write 4 by 4 to the power x. Sorry. 4 into 4 to the power x plus 4 by 4 to the power x equals to 10. If we are taking 4 common, 4 to the power x plus 1 by 4 to the power x equals to 10. Or 4, we can write 4 to the power 2x plus 1 by 4 to the power x equals to 10. We can write 4 into 4 to the power 2x plus 4 equals to 10 into 4 to the power x. If we are bringing this one this side, it will become minus, this one will be 0. We can write this one in this type, 4 into 4 to the power 2x, 4 for the 16, minus 8 into 4 to the power x, minus 2 into 4 to the power x. I am doing middle term factor, plus 4 equals to 0. If we are taking 4 into 4 to the power x common, so here it is coming 4 to the power x minus 2, and here if we are taking minus 2 common, it is again coming 4 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0. So it is 4 to the power x minus 2, and this one is 4 to the power x plus 1 minus 2. This is equals to 0. If 4 to the power x minus 2 equals to 0, we can write it 2 to the power 2x equals to 2. That means 2x equals to 1, implies x equals to half. Another possibility is 4 to the power x plus 1 equals to 2. From here we can write 2 to the power whole square, that is 2x plus 2 equals to 2 to the power 1. From here we can write 2x plus 2 equals to 1. So 2x equals to minus 1, or x equals to minus half. So our answer is coming x equals to half, x equals to minus half. We can write x equals to plus minus half. This will be our answer. Now see this, if mod A equals to less than 1 and mod B equals to less than 1, x equals to 1 plus a plus a square plus a cube up to infinity, y equals to this one in the same style. So this one you have to know, this is an infinite series. That means x equals to 1 minus a whole to the power minus 1. This is binomial theorem we have done for negative integral index. Then you can see this one is 1 minus a whole to the power minus 1. You have to know this one for negative power of binomial theory. This one we can write 1 by 1 minus a. Similarly, y equals to y minus b whole to the power minus 1 to 1 by 1 minus b. From here we can write 1 minus a equals to 1 by x, or a equals to 1 minus 1 by x equals to x minus 1 by x. Similarly, b equals to, from here we can do in the same manner, b equals to y minus 1 by y. Now we have to find the value of this one. From here obviously we can say this series, this series, what is given series, this is equals to, in the same style we can say 1 minus ab whole to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 1 minus ab equals to 1 by 1 minus, what is a equals to this one, x minus 1 by x into b equals to y minus 1 by y. This is equals to 1 by, this one will come xy minus, denominator also will be xy. Here multiplying this one, it will be xy minus x minus y plus 1. This one here xy will go up, xy by xy minus xy plus x plus y minus 1. These two will cut, so equals to xy by x plus y minus 1. Hope I can able to explain